So most people think you need a full-blown business to get business credit cards or any type of business product, and that's not true. And today I'm going to show you how to get approved even if you're just starting out. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how easy it is to access business credit. Like I said before, even if you haven't even started your business yet, it's totally possible for you. And personally, I've used my business credit cards for everything, from my retail businesses to my real estate investments, really anything that cash flows. And let me tell you this, it's all about leveraging business credit to make your life and your projects all easier, all while earning rewards and keeping your personal credit profile completely separate from your business. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chess. I've secured well over 400K in total approved business funding from my businesses, and I've helped entrepreneurs and business owners just like yourself secure funding for their businesses as well. So that's how you know everything I teach here is based off real world experiences, either from myself or from my clients' experience as well. Without further ado, let's continue. So thousands of small business owners are taking advantage of business credit cards, whether you're a consultant, a real estate investor, an e-commerce business owner, or let's say you're running short-term rentals. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to get all of those business credit cards without having a business just yet or having significant revenue. Plus, beyond the rewards and flexibility, business credit cards, they do offer you a great way to protect your personal credit score. So let's take a closer look. And if you have a personal card, like an Apple card, like with a $6,000 limit and you use 4,500, that's a 75% utilization rate, which could hurt your credit score. But if you put out the same 4,500 on a business credit card, like a Chase Inc. Business Cash, the same $6,000 limit, the utilization still equals 70%. But the catch is that most business credit cards do not report on the credit bureaus, so it won't negatively impact your credit score. And unlike your personal credit cards, the business credit cards, they typically do not report utilization unless there is a problem with your payments. And this makes them a very valuable tool for you to keep your personal and your business finances completely separate. This can be particularly useful when your business requires a significant upfront investment, but it doesn't generate immediate cash flow. So if you put all those expenses on a personal card, your credit score is likely to take a hit due to the high utilization. But with business credit cards, that risk is minimized. I've seen this firsthand. For example, one of my business partners, he invested into new Airbnbs using his business credit card. And the return wasn't going to come until, let's say, 6 months later. And a month after that, he found another deal and needed more capital to fund his new project before paying all the old card. And because he uses business credit instead of his personal credit, his personal credit cards and profile stayed clean, and he was able to access more capital from there. If his business credit profile has been utilized heavily, then it would have been game over for him. He wouldn't have been able to access more credit for the new deal. Now let's talk about some major perks for business credit cards that many of you won't find with personal cards. One of the biggest advantages is that 0% APR offers that some cards provide 12 to 18 months, and it's like getting an interest-free loan to fund your business or cover your unexpected expenses or even grow your projects. You've probably heard about credit stacking, where people apply for multiple business credit cards in a strategic way to maximize the 0% APR benefits. This is a super powerful way for you to access short-term capital. Imagine being able to access 50,000 or maybe even 100,000 at 0% interest for over a year. This is where I've used this to fund my investments, where I pay an upfront fee so I can earn a return from it every single month. And from there, I use it to pay off my balances completely interest-free. And the benefits do not stop at 0% APR. Many business credit cards offer a generous welcome bonus. For example, the Chase Inc. business credit card, it can offer anywhere from between $750 to $900 after spending $6,000 in the first 3 to 6 months. Just make sure you check the current offers, as they can change. These perks are a lot rare with personal cards, especially those with an annual fee. Even though business credit cards, it may have a higher spending requirement, if you do combine them with your personal cards, it is a great way for you to maximize and optimize your rewards and also manage your finances strategically. Another huge benefit of business credit cards is the higher credit limits. Unlike your personal credit cards, which may have lower limits, Many business credit cards start with a limit anywhere from 5,000 and I've seen it go as high as 75,000 if done correctly. And while the exact limit, it does depend on the individual and also the business, it's not uncommon for business credit cards to offer a much higher limit than your personal credit cards. I'll say anywhere from 2 to 3 times. So businesses generally have more expenses than individuals, like inventory, advertising, payroll, and maybe even software. So a higher credit limit is definitely necessary. Personal expenses like housing, car payments, usually cannot be charged to your credit card, but businesses often do rely on credit for larger expenses, which is why business credit cards they do offer a higher limit. Plus, since most business credit cards do not report to your personal credit bureaus, using them responsibly won't affect your personal credit score. So, how do you get started with business credit cards? Well, let's go over a few things to prepare yourself before applying. Many top business credit cards require a personal guarantee, meaning if your business defaults on the cards, you'll be personally responsible for the debt. However, there are some options to not personally guarantee the loan, but this is only if your business is doing over $1 million in revenue, which focuses a little bit more on your business's overall financial health. So, to improve your chances of approvals for higher limits, and the best business cards. Here's my checklist for you. Make sure to get a pen and paper. First is to have a business relationship with the banks and deposit at least $100 in there. You want to aim for at least a 700 score. Obviously, the higher the better. Keep your inquiries as low as possible, 3 within the last 6 months. Make sure there are no negatives on your report, like collections, like payments, or anything on your profile that could, kind of flag you. You should have anywhere from 3 to 5 active personal accounts, and you should have at least one credit card with a $10,000 limit or higher. Recommend you getting an EIN and LLC for your business. And I'll link a video right over here for you. You can do this in 6 minutes. So once you get your EIN, applying for a business credit card is very straightforward. For example, when applying for the Chase Inc. business credit card, you just provide your personal and your business details, your income, your estimates, and also your EIN as well, which is your business's social security. And even if your business is just starting, you could use projected revenue and your home address as well. That's going to be completely fine for a business address. So once you applied, you may get approved right away, or you might be asked to provide a little bit of additional information. If you're denied, don't panic. You'll receive a letter explaining why, and you can use the information to actually improve your chances for future applications. Or another thing you could do is you can also call the reconsideration line. This can help you get your application improved. So some of the best business credit card that I personally use includes the Business Inc. Unlimited, the US Bank Business Platinum, which offers a great 0% period for 18 months. So if your credit profile isn't perfect yet, it may be tougher to get approved for the highest limits, especially in right now's lending market. But don't give up. You can start building your profile now and qualify for the best cards a little bit later. Patience is the name of the game. And here's a part that people don't realize the most. With the right strategy, you get access 50 to 250K in business credit, even as a brand new business. It's all about using the bank's rules to your advantage. So if you do need help one-on-one to secure 100K plus in business funding, or you want it completely done for you, apply to join my mentorship or my done for you program in the links in the description below or in the pinned comments below as well. This is CashflowChes. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.